Yoga should not be just an exercise, but a means to connect with the world and with nature. It should bring a change in our lifestyle and create awareness within us. Awesome lines by our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. According to the stories of yoga, Shiva first gave the knowledge of yoga to his 7 disciples. It is believed that on the first full moon day after the summer solstice, these 7 sages were given the teachings of yoga. So this day is also celebrated as Shiva's incarnation. This time is also known as Dakshinayan. It is also said that during this period, if a spiritual practice is done, the nature also provides support and cooperation to achieve spiritual goals. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter you flame. Happy International Yoga Day to everyone.